Hi everyone. In this session, I am going to explain about frequency bands. An electromagnetic wave traveling in this free space may be in different frequencies, but all travel with the same velocity. Approximately, the velocity of the light in free space is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. Depending on the frequency or wavelength, the electromagnetic waves produce different effects in various materials and devices. Hence, the different parts of electromagnetic wave spectrum are utilized for various different purposes. The frequency bands are given in table. Here we are observing the different frequency bands. The frequency bands divided into 11 frequency bands. Those are the frequency band number and frequency range, frequency band name, and wavelengths and applications are tabulated here. For the first band, the frequency range is 3 to 30 Hz. It was named as extreme low frequency. It is covered up to 10,000 kilometers to 1 lakh kilometers distance range. Coming to second band, 30 to 300 Hz, it has name as super low frequency. It covers the wavelength up to 1000 to 10,000 kilometers. And third band, 300 to 3000 Hz, it is named as ultra low frequency. It covers 100 to 1000 kilometers. Fourth one is 3 to 30 kilohertz. It named as very low frequency. It covers 10 to 100 kilometers. Those four frequencies are ELF, SLF, ULF, VLF. These four frequencies are used for underwater communication and naval use. Coming to fifth one, 30 kHz to 300 kHz, it named as low frequency. It covers the wavelength up to 1 to 10 kilometers, 1 kilometer to 10 kilometers. It used for maritime and aeronautical applications. Maritime applications is nothing but sea applications. And sixth one is 300 to 3000 kilometers. It named as middle frequency band, and it can cover the 100 to 1000 meters wavelength distance, and it can be used for short distance broadcasting communication. It will be used, and MF and HF will be used for broadcasting purpose. Those MF will be used for short distance broadcasting. HF will be used for long distance broadcasting. HF frequency range is 3000 to 30,000 kilohertz. It covers the 10 to 100 meters wavelength distance. And coming to eighth one, 30 to 300 megahertz, it named as very high frequency. It covers the wavelength up to 1 to 10 meters, and it can be used in AM and FM applications. And ninth one, 300 to 3000 megahertz, it can be named as ultra high frequency. It can be covers the 10 to 100 centimeters, and it can be used for AM and FM. AM and FM applications are nothing but TV and FM broadcasting purposes. And coming to 10th band, the frequency range is 3 to 30 gigahertz. It can be called as super high frequency. It covers the 1 to 10 centimeters wavelength range, and it can be used in space communication, nothing but radar and satellite communication. And coming to 11th one, 30 to 300 gigahertz, it can be named as extreme high frequency. it can covers the 1 to 10 nanometers. It can be used for research and astronomy. There is another frequency band is also there, that is nothing but visible frequency band. It has the frequency range is nothing but 400 to 790 terahertz. Nothing but the frequency range is 4 into 10 to the power of 14 to 7.9 into 10 to the power of 14. It covers the wavelengths from 380 to 750 nanometers. It will visible the different colors. The applications are human eye. By this visible frequency band, we can observe the Vibgyor colors. Vibgyor colors to the human eye.